Good morning, students. So far we discussed about types of fibers, rayon, nylon, polyester. Now let's talk about acrylics, polyacrylic fibers and acrylic. So in winters, we can say sweaters, shawls, blankets. These are not always made up of, we can say, natural wool. Sometimes the sweater which you are wearing may be made up of, acrylic fibers. So they, like for example, the shawls, blanket, sweater in are often made from acrylic fibers. Sometimes they are natural fibers also like wool, but sometimes they are also used prepared from acrylic fibers. Acrylic. I hope you can see this acrylic fibers. And these are synthetic fiber. These are synthetic fibers. They are quite cheaper than the, we can say, natural wool. Natural wool is quite expensive. So this kind of fibers they give like warm feeling, but they are synthetic, man-made fibers. Okay, and these are quite relatively cheap than wool. You can say wool obtained naturally is quite expensive, whereas the acrylic fiber, whereas the clothes are prepared from acrylic fiber are relatively cheap. Okay, dear students. So acrylic fibers are like we can say another alternatives for for woolen clothes. Obviously, wool has its own nature, we can say, feeling, but these are the, we can say, another alternative which are being used in making sweaters, blankets, okay, shawls. But these are like man-made fibers, and also it has some disadvantages and advantages at both ends. It is cheaper than the natural wool, and also synthetic fiber, synthetic fiber, or we can say synthetic clothes are more, we can say, affordable and durable. So this was about the, we can say, acrylic fibers, but at the same time they have some disadvantage. So you might have learned in previous classes, 7th or 8th standard, like how natural fiber burn and how they form, how synthetic fiber burns and they are behaving in a different way. When you burn synthetic fiber, they melt actually. Synthetic fiber melts on heating. Okay, so during if your person is wearing in kitchen or laboratory, what happens if by accidentally if there is this cloth catch fire, what happens, this cloth fabric, synthetic fabric get melt and stick to the body the person who is wearing. So it is very disadvantages, we can say, of this fibers of clothes. That's why one should not wear polyester or synthetic fiber clothes in kitchen or laboratory. So we can just say what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages of synthetic fiber, we can say synthetic fiber melts on heating. First point. Okay. Second, we can say if the cloth catch fire, stick to the it is disastrous, we can say. It is disastrous. So it get melt and it stick to the body of the person who is wearing. Person who is wearing. Therefore, one should avoid wearing synthetic fibers in kitchen and laboratory. Kitchen and laboratory. Synthetic fiber should be avoid. Synthetic fiber one should not wear. So synthetic fiber clothes should not be wear in kitchen and laboratory. That's why when people who are working in kitchen, they know very well, like mothers also, and there are people who are working as a chef and the people who are working as a chemist in laboratory. They don't wear synthetic clothes in. They are advisable. Even they are advised that not to wear synthetic clothes in laboratory while working because it catch fire and it will be disastrous. So this was about acrylic fiber. So far we talked about the rayon, nylon, polyester, and this was about acrylic fiber. And also we have seen over the uses also and the disadvantage also. So this was about today, and if you have doubt, you can ask me. Now discuss with about the characteristic of synthetic fiber. About the properties of synthetic fiber. Why they are famous? Because they, like for example, if you differentiate with natural fiber like cotton gets wet and then easily, and also it takes time to dry. During rainy season, cotton clothes get much time to dry. But on other hand, like nylon or other synthetic fiber, they easily dry, like raincoat easily dry. So what are the characteristics? Like first we can say they dry up easily. If they get soaked in water, they dry easily. They are less expensive, or we can say cheap or less expensive than natural fiber. Also, you can easily wash them, easy to wash. They are more durable. And also the main important thing is they're easily available. Because of this synthetic fiber, they're produced in laboratory. The we can say polymers are synthesized in laboratory industry. So last portion is out in the market. So they are easily available at cheaper rates. So anytime you can buy. So we can say readily available, or we can say easy available. And also we can maintain them easy to maintain. So these are the characteristics of synthetic fiber. Okay, this one, and doubt you can ask me.